Hi everyone. So today we are going to explore counting syllables. I know that we have kind of previously worked on this just a little bit, but I really thought that after watching you read that we would do a little bit more practice just so that we could be a little bit more advanced when it comes to um, finding the how many syllables for a little bit larger words. So maybe words that have 2, 3, or even 4 syllables with them, and learning how to identify those. So, as just a refresher, what are syllables? A syllable is a part of a word that has one vowel sound. Do you remember what vowels are? Yes, so it is like a beat in a word. So when you pronounce a word, you often hear certain beats within it. So, for example, in the word pear, we hear one beat, pear, versus a word like banana. If we say banana slow, banana, we hear 3 beats within that word. And just like you guys already saw me doing, I taught you guys 2 different ways that we can count syllables. So by doing the chin method, do you remember what the chin method was? Yes, so the chin method is when we say a word, we count how many times our chin drops when we say a word. So even when we say the word method, method, our chin drops twice. And then we also have the clapping method, which we're going to kind of explore a little bit more this week. And the clapping method is the same thing, except we clap on every single beat or every single syllable. So method. And we practiced that a little bit last week, but we're going to go ahead and practice again. So this is for I do. So I'm going to look at this picture and I'm going to look at that, and I know that is an egg. So I'm going to count the syllables in the word egg. Ready? Egg. There's just one. And next, I'm going to look at this and I know that is corn. So I'm going to count the syllables. Corn. And when I count those syllables, I'm going to clap for every single syllable. So let's do this one together. Let's look at this. Do we know what that is? Yes, that looks like some pie. I wonder if it's pumpkin pie. Maybe. So we're going to do pie. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Pie. Good job. And next we're going to look at this. This looks like a lime to me. All right, ready? Get our hands ready. 1, 2, 3. Lime. 1 syllable. Good job. So now I want you guys to try this one all on your own. I know you guys can get this one. We've had lots of practice on these words. What is this word? This looks like some jam. Can you guys count those syllables for me with your hands? Good job. All right, we're going to move to the next word. This one might be a little tricky. Can you do this one for me if you put your hands up? Good job. All right, we're going to keep on moving. So I'm going to do this one. This looks like popcorn. It looks like this one has a little bit more. I'm not sure. Let's do this. Popcorn. Looks like there's 2 syllables. I'm going to do this one as well. That looks like a big red apple. Apple. 2 syllables again. So let's do this one together. Did we know what this one is? Yes, that is a pumpkin. So we're going to do this one together. Ready? Get our hands ready. 1, 2, 3. Pumpkin. We clap 2 times. So there's 2 syllables in that word. And this looks like some yummy honey. So we're going to get our hands ready and we're going to do honey. Good job. Now I want you guys to do this one all on your own if you can for me, okay? Do we know what this is? Yes, that is a yummy taco. So can you guys count those for me with your hands? Good job. All right, now let's move to this one. That also looks yummy, huh? All right, get your hands ready and let's do this one. Good job. And how many claps was that? 2. Good job. All right. Now we're going to move to a little bit more harder words. I'm going to do this one. This looks like an artichoke. Let's count this. Ready? Artichoke. That looks like 3 syllables to me. Now let's move to this next word. Blueberry. Oh, I had some blueberries today. Blueberry. That looks like 3 syllables to me. Now let's do this one together. We have a pineapple. Can we do this one? Yeah, let's get our hands ready. 1, 2, 3. Pineapple. Good job. Now, what about this one? We just did this one in the very beginning. Do we remember how to do this one? Get our hands ready. Let's do it together. Banana. Good job. All right, I want you guys to try this one all on your own. Let's see if we can do this one. Can you get your hands ready? Good. And how many syllables was that? 3. Good job. All right. Now let's move to this word. Do we know what this is? We do. That is a potato. Can we count this one? Let's get our hands ready again. Perfect. Good job. You guys are pros. Now let's move to some of the most difficult ones that I have on here for you. Let's look at this one. This is a watermelon. Now I'm going to count this one by myself, all right? Watermelon. Now how many claps was that? 4. Awesome. Now let's move to this one. This one looks like an avocado. All right. Got my hands ready. Avocado. That looks like 4 again. All right, now let's do this one together. Can we do this one together? Some macaroni. Okay, ready? Macaroni. Good job. Good job. All right, I want you guys to do this one all on your own. Do you think you can do that for me? Perfect. Can you put your hands up? Good job. Now, how many syllables was that? Was that 2? No, how many was that? 4. Good job. All right. Now, this one's a hard one. Do you think we can do this one? Let's get our hands ready. Good job. Now, how many syllables is that? Can we try that one again? Let's do that one again. Good job. Good job. You are right. There's 4. Now let's do a couple practice problems. Do we think we can do that? So I'm going to show you guys a food and I'm going to say it. And I want you guys to say that word in your head. And I want you guys to clap your hands for each syllable that you hear in that word. And I want you guys to get out your whiteboards and I want you to write that number on your whiteboard and then show it to me, okay? So let's look at this first one. Rice. How many syllables are in that one? Yes, good job. There is 1. Now, how about this one? This one looks a little interesting. Can you guys sound that one out on your own? And can you show me on your whiteboard how many syllables that one has? Good job. Good job. All right, this one's going to be a little tricky. Can we say this one out loud? This is a strawberry. No, make sure you guys are clapping. Perfect. And can you write on your whiteboard how many syllables there are in that word? Let's try this one again. Do you want me to do this one with you? Awesome. So let's clap together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Strawberry. How many? 3. Good job. Good job. All right. We have 2 more. What is this one? This looks like a carrot. All right. Can you use your clapping method? You have to get your hands ready. Good job. Now can you write on your whiteboard how many syllables that were? How many claps did we do? Good job. We did 2. Now I have 1 more. This is the last. All right. This is the last one that we're going to do. Can we do mango? Let's see if you can do this one all on your own. Awesome. And how many syllables was that? Good job. You guys are pros. That is all I have for today, and I will see you guys later.